If I wanted to turn it into a pocket, I can show you that, how I do that. Be it simply glue here, but I had to put this underneath, and then I can close it and let it set. I also can share with you, with this being a page that gets covered, I don't want to do a whole page, then I'll show you. I can just cut it. Now it does have thickness because I glued pages together. And then we can take this one and we can cut it here. And take this one, cut it here. So that's what I would do with the page that I got. And this is what I would do to a page that I don't want to deal with a whole page, and then I would turn that into something. Once I have it cut like this, I would then go ahead and give it a snip like this, and then just tear it up, and then another snip right here, and tear it up. I can just come back in and give it a little snip, just like that. So now that's small enough that if I wanted to put something like this on it again, another index card on both sides, I could. Or if I wanted to add some pretty art like this, and then on the other side I can also have art. This is also made from Nana. And then you can put whatever you want here. If you need to make it smaller, you can. But that just gives you an idea how to do that. With that cutting that I showed you, you can get fancy and do something like this. So any trimming that would have to be done, I would just simply stick this mat underneath it like this. And then I would take my ruler, just like this, and then I would cut it. And that's how I would do that. It's got a nice fold to it. When I close it, I thought I was going to do a tie, but that would not be good, so I'm going to do a band. So thank you for taking the time to look at my glue book with me. The first one I've done. It's really a lot of fun. Soto's Creative Corner saying be blessed. Bye for now.